In this video, we're going to look at how to add a website directly to your iPhone home screen. This allows you to create a shortcut icon that works just like an app. When you tap it, your iPhone will instantly open Safari and load the saved website. This is especially useful if you regularly visit a particular website, such as an online banking page, business dashboard, email login, or any platform you use regularly. For this demonstration, I'm using the latest iOS 26.3 software. If these steps don't work for you, check out our other video to make sure your phone is up to date. Let's get started. From your home screen, open the Safari app. Now navigate to the website you'd like to add to your home screen. Make sure you're on the exact page you want the shortcut to open. For example, if you wanted to open a specific login page or dashboard, go to that page now. For this example, I'm going to use the Wikipedia homepage. Once the website has fully loaded, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then tap the Share button. The Share menu will now appear. Tap View More or simply scroll down through the list of options until you see Add to Home Screen, then tap on it. You'll now see a preview of the shortcut icon. At the top of the screen, you can edit the name of the icon. This is what will appear underneath the icon on your home screen. By default, it usually uses the website's title, but you can shorten or customize this name if you prefer something cleaner. Once you're happy with the name, tap Add in the top right-hand corner. You'll now be taken back to your home screen, where you'll see the new website icon appear. Just like a normal app, you can tap and hold the icon to drag it to a different position, move it to another page, or place it inside a folder. Now let's test it. Tap the new website icon. As you can see, Safari opens immediately and loads the exact web page we saved. This makes accessing frequently used websites much faster, as you don't need to open Safari and manually type the address each time. If you ever want to remove the shortcut, simply tap and hold the icon, then select Delete Bookmark or Remove App, depending on your iOS version. Confirm the removal and it will disappear from your home screen. This does not delete the website or affect your Safari data. It simply removes the shortcut. And that's it. You can now add a website directly to your iPhone home screen, making it quicker and easier to access whenever you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.